one country, 28 states, 8 union territories, 22 languages, 136 crore population. But we still stand together, proud to be an Indian. It's 75th Independence Day celebration. Let's salute those great men who made this possible. Wishing all a very happy Independence Day.
Freedom of speech, independence to grow, equality of everybody, liberty of mind and thought, and tolerance towards others. Let's thank all the great souls who made this India possible for us.
We welcome our chief guest, Reverend Sister Sheja Basti, our principal, Sister Sandhya, our superior, to hoist the national flag that shows the symbol of our national pride and identity. A message can change life. The sculpture of human characters, seasoned scholars and the navigators of Holy Family Convent School. Our principal, Reverend Sister Sheja Basti, conveys her thoughts.
Good morning, everybody. My dear students, parents and teachers, happy Independence Day and a very happy feast day of Mother Mary to all of you. Today we celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. It's a great day of pride for all of us. This day enkindles in each one of us a hope for a better future and a sense of responsibility. Nehru said, "Freedom and power brings us responsibility." My dear friends, this responsibility rests upon all of us. We are the sovereign people of India. Let's be proud and responsible. Each and everything we do as a citizen makes a big difference to our country. So, let's be more cautious about our action. May this unique Independence Day celebration unite all of us. Let us salute the freedom fighters, soldiers, and those who laid down their lives for our country. This corona pandemic has taught us that we are human beings. We have to fight together and support each other. Nothing is impossible for God. No path is difficult. No path is impossible if our resolutions are strong. This is a challenging time to test our capabilities and value systems. Let's not be pandemic, but be hopeful and be positive. Yes, dear friends, today let's pray for our country and its citizens. Let Mother Mary protect our nation, and may God bless all of us. सारे जहान से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।
No caste can divide us. No laws can separate us. No colors or creeds can decide our future. Because we are children of one mother, India.
As we all know that we are facing this pandemic situation. So, in regard with this, we all are celebrating this Independence Day virtually. So, my friends have taken the initiative to convey their regards and wishes through their various performances.
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश गीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला, देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला।
Good morning to all. My name is Ashik Jangla. I study in first class. Today we are here to celebrate our Independence Day. Independence Day is national festival of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August every year. Independence Day is celebrated because India got freedoms from British rule on this day. India flag is hoisted on this day. It is a very proud moment for our country. Happy Independence Day to all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
A very delightful morning to one and all. I, Isha Khan from class 2nd, extend my warmest and graceful wish to our festivalian of the day, Sister Sita Bastin, our principal. Sister, I wish may God release a fresh favor over your life today. May He open doors of opportunity for you. May God bring a shine of happiness and everlasting joy in your life this year, and may Mother Mary ever be your guardian and guide. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Nid Ansari from class 4th A. Today I am speaking slogan. पूरी दुनिया में फैला ये बात, हम भारतीय हैं शानदार। अपने देश पर हमें गर्व है, आज राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। देश को आगे बढ़ाना है, आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाना है। आजादी का यह दिन है, वीर शहीदों को नमन है। पूरी दुनिया को दिखाना है, आज का दिन सिर्फ हमारा है। Happy Feast Day, dear sister.
Good morning to all. My name is Safyan from class 8. Today I am going to speak few words about Independence Day. We are extremely thankful to Netaji, Gandhiji, Nehru Lal and all other great leaders and freedom fighters for their sacrifices for India. Dear sir, we are an progressive and powerful country of the world. Today we have the world's largest democracy. Our people have bold and brave. Jai Hind.
Our joy is doubled, and we are thrilled to celebrate the feast day of our dear sister Sheeta Bastin, Principal, the feast of the Assumption of the Blessed Virgin Mary. As we share the joy of the feast, we too wish you, sister, a wonderful happy feast.
Prayerful festal greetings of this day. May the good God bless you forever. Prayerful festal greetings of this day. May the good God bless you forever. Happy feast day. Happy feast Happy feast day to you. Happy feast day, happy feast day, happy feast day to you. Many, many happy returns of this day. Many, many joyful memories forever. Many, many happy returns of this day. Many, many joyful memories forever. Long, long life, wish you on this day. Happy feast day to you. Long, long life, wish you on this day. Happy feast day to you.